If you're eyeing Arcade or you're already using it and wondering what else is out there, let me save you some time. Arcade is a genuinely great tool for product marketers who want to make storytelling demos. But teams still look elsewhere for three reasons. First, Arcade recently simplified their pricing, and in doing so, they removed their cheaper Pro plan. So the cheapest way to publish real watermark-free demos is now in their growth plan, which is at about $43 per seat per month and billed on an annual basis, not month to month. And it's per seat, so it scales up as your team grows. Second, their free plan is now just a single demo, when it used to be three. So it's hard to run more than one demo or really put it through its paces without having to pay. And third, Arcade is built for one lane, beautiful marketing storytelling. If you needed to run sales, onboarding, and support as well, you're going to hit a ceiling fast. So, 7 alternatives and the honest truth that nobody's going to admit when it comes to interactive demo tools. In 2026, interactive demo tools all make good-looking screenshot and usually HTML demos. What actually matters is whether an interactive demo tool services multiple use cases or just optimizes for one. As well, it's important to know what you get before you hit a paywall. And ultimately, for you as the user, it comes down to whether the demo looks good and feels good to record. So let's get into it. Now, the first camp of tools I want to talk about are the everyday interactive demo software tools that most teams are actually going to choose between. Let's talk about Supademo. And full disclosure, this is us, but we're the best tool for all the use cases you'd have for interactive demos. We do the most formats, so that's HTML, screenshots, video, screen recording, desktop apps, and even Figma screens. Our free plan includes 5 free demos, not just one and one video. So you can actually try the tool properly to put it through its paces. When you move to a paid plan, it starts at $38 a month, and we don't meter AI by credits. Voiceovers, translation into 30+ languages, voice cloning, and even an AI audit that grades your demo, those are all built in. And where Arcade is mainly built for marketing, Supademo covers the whole go-to-market motion. So that's sales, marketing, onboarding, and support. The next tool is Navattic. They're an HTML-first marketing pick. They make high-fidelity tours built from your live product. They're polished and they convert. Now, if your marketing-led and HTML fidelity is everything to you, it's a serious option. Though it starts around $500 a month, we do a deep dive on Navattic alternatives in this other video, so check that out if you're considering them. The next tool we want to talk about is Storylane. Storylane is the sales demo automation pick. They're a strong CRM and deal intelligence choice, plus they have a RepX AI agent. Now, if you're a sales-led team with the budget, it's worth a look. We also have a Storylane deep dive to check out if you're considering them. Now, the next tool I'll talk about is Guideflow, the freemium no-code pick, an easy builder with a generous free plan of 5 demos. The catch, though, is that HTML demos are gated to their $499 tier and sandbox to $1,500. The next option to talk about is HowdyGo. This is the unlimited seats pick. They have simple HTML demos that offer you unlimited users for a flat price of $159 a month. There's no free plan, however, so it's best you know you'll use it when you sign up. But if you've got a big team, the flat pricing beats a per seat model. Now let's talk about the second camp of tools. These are heavier interactive demo tools built for enterprise customers, where you need a fully controlled or cloned version of your product. Now, Walnut, the first tool we're going to talk about, does sales-led personalization and deal rooms, and they cost roughly $7,000 to $18,000 a year. Alternatively, Reprise is a broader pre-sales platform with guided tours plus fully cloned environments for complex product. Lastly, we've got Demostack in this category, and what they do is spin up a stable, editable clone of your product so sales engineers can demo your product without touching actual production code. All 3 of these tools are powerful, but mostly custom priced into the tens of thousands a year. And they're going to be overkill if your needs are go-to-market wide rather than enterprise deep. So with the features basically tied across a lot of the everyday interactive demo software tools, what decides it? 2 things almost nobody tests before they buy. The first is, does the finished demo actually look good? This is Arcade's home turf, so hold every tool to that bar. Their websites will have examples of demos made with their platform. Click through these demos to get a sense of how they're made. Look at the hotspots, the tooltips, and the polish. If it looks clunky to you, it's going to look clunky to your buyers. Now, the second thing, does it actually feel good to build these demos? You're going to live in this editor a lot if you're making a lot of demos. So make one real demo in your top 2 picks, and you're going to feel which one feels more natural to you. Do that, then factor in how they price their software and how it scales as you add seats, and the choice is going to become obvious. Now, if you want one tool that does all of it, the most formats, a free plan you can actually use, bundled AI, and demos that still look great, that's us at Supademo. You can try it for free. You'll get 5 demos. You don't have to add a credit card, all at supademo.com. The full arcade comparison and pricing breakdown are in the description. I'll see you in the next one.